Mahalakshmi Ashtakam, a prayer for seeking blessings from the Divine Mother for achieving success, prosperity, and overall well-being. Namastestu Mahamaye Shripite Surapujite Shankachakragadahaste Mahalakshmi Namostute. Namaste Garudarude Kolasura-bhayankari Sarvapapahare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute. Sarvagne Sarvavarade Sarvadushta-bhayankari Sarvadukkahare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute. Siddhi-buddhi-prade Devi Bhukti-mukti-pradaini Mantramurte Sada Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute. Adyantarahite Devi Adishakti Maheshwari Yogagne Yogasambhute Mahalakshmi Namostute. Stula Sukshma Maharaudre Mahashakti Mahodare Mahapapahare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute. Padmasanasthite Devi Parabrahmaswarupini Parameshi Jagannmata Mahalakshmi Namostute. Shvetambaradhare Devi Nanalankara Bhushite Jagatstite Jagannmata Mahalakshmi Namostute. Shri Mahalakshmi Ashtakam Samaptam. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tat Sat. Dhanyavadaha.